Welcome to our Zoho CRM tutorial covering calls, which are a type of activity. I'm going to give you a brief overview on how to create a call and where to find them in Zoho CRM. We recommend always starting a call from the lead, contact, or account module to limit the information you need to input. If we go to the contacts module and we select a contact, we can either scroll down until we get to activities, open activities, and you can create a new call from here. Or on the left side, you can go to open activities, click on the plus, and you can create a new call from here as well. If we click on this, you can see that the contact name is automatically populated, as well here under related to the account is also populated. You need a subject for the call. So I'm going to call it check-in. And then if you wanted to, you can choose a purpose for the call, and you can always edit what these purposes are. And then another required field is the type of call it is, but you can't fill that in until you put in the call details. So because it's a current call, it's automatically an outbound call, and you can add a description or call result. If it's a completed call, you can then choose whether it was an outbound, inbound, or missed call. You put in the start time of the call and how long the call lasted. And then finally, if it's a scheduled call, that will be an outbound call as well. You would then be able to choose on the calendar when it will take place, add the description, and then you can save this as well. I'm going to save this here. And then you can see that you have, this is an activity type of call that's now in the open activities, and there's one showing here as well. If you were to click on this, you'll be in the activities module, and you can see more information about the call. And then once the call happens, you can then edit the status of this and change that it's been marked as complete and what time what that information was. Besides being in the activities module, you can also go up in the top right corner to the calendar. And if you were to click on the calendar, you could see under the 4th of October, there's a line under it, which means that there's an activity scheduled. And if we go here, you can see that here is the call that we scheduled, and you can get to it from here as well. You can mark it as completed from here or put any other information as well. To find out more about creating and working with calls in Zoho, please go to marksgrouplive.com, where you can subscribe to our video library, which includes over 100 videos that can help you with anything you need related to Zoho. If you have any questions, you can reach out to info@marksgrouplive.com.